invited us to come to Chamonix. He got to know us from our videos, from the Instagram and everything else. We've been chatting, and basically he said that if we come into the Alps, we have to come and visit. We did, and he's an awesome, awesome guy. Thank you very much, Roger. We really appreciate it. Good morning from Chamonix. Roger is stressed out because we are kind of rushing. We're trying to meet people from the Petrolhead.tours. We're going to drive with them for half of the day today. We're going to have lunch together, and I'm looking forward to actually meet them. We've chatted a lot on Instagram and things like that, but we've never met in person. So looking forward to it. And then we're off to the gravel roads of Italian Alps. How's it going? Hello, Pete.
Yeah.
I'm alright, nice to meet you. This is Ruta.
Hi.
And that is Roger.
We have pictures.
It's so funny that wherever you go to this kind of meetup, there's Lamborghinis, there's a McLaren over there, there's lots of Porsches and stuff. The ones that get the attention are the Nomads. Everybody just loves it.
Welcome to another day of Petrolhead.tours. Roger, that one. Welcome to it, Roger.
Okay, let's go. Let's try to catch up with them. You are a brave man.
That's
to go
awesome,
in the Nomad, on a road like this, with somebody you've never met before. This is challenging.
That car
this is
is
something
like
else.
savage. It's so much fun. I just want to get the back out like all the time. It's so much fun.
Wherever you go, whatever you do.
Yeah,
But
it's awesome.
you have balls.
They don't still think they're invincible. You know, I've had a few people on tour who are in their early 20s. They think they're heroes, right? And so for them, the confidence is more than the ability. With everyone over like 30, the confidence is less than the ability, which is better.
Well, that's what we do, absolutely.
They don't want to break their £50,000 car. And they know that if they fall off the road, it will hurt.
I just don't find it worth it. This is the thing, like, it's really not worth it. No. The risk for this extra 3 miles per hour.
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
I'm having fun regardless, even if I want to pull up a little bit. So Smile and wave, people. There you go.
Are you?
Oh, not at all. Oh, actually there's some water in there.
The nicest part about travelling in the Nomad, I guess you can do it with any car, but it's really nice to stop and go for a swim to freshen up, and then you can just go back into the Nomad with all your wet stuff because it doesn't matter. But we took Izzy for a swim. She hated it, but I think
She hates us now.
I think she likes Art more because he saved her a couple of times from me.
Yeah, so basically road trips are not just about driving. The stops between the drives are just as important for us. And we try to make as many of them as possible. It just breaks the day really nicely. We see more, we do more, and we just get memories this way as well. Although the driving here was fantastic. As always, Tom took us to some like crazy roads, but this is just...
Car smells like this. We smell of shit because we drove through this field where cows go.
Nomad life. Nomad life. Would you go in any other car?